Once upon a time, there was a young girl. Her name was Emma. Emma was 10 years old. She lived in a small house. The house was white and big. Emma lived with her mother, father, and brother. Emma's brother was 5 years old. His name was Max. Emma loved her family very much. They were very happy together. Every day, Emma went to school. She liked school a lot. Her school was big and beautiful. It had many rooms. There was a library, a gym, and a big playground. Emma liked to play on the playground after school. She played with her friends there. Emma had many friends at school. Her best friend was Anna. Anna was also 10 years old. They were in the same class. Emma and Anna sat together in class. They loved to talk and laugh. They helped each other with homework. They always played together during breaks. Emma liked many subjects at school. She liked math, English, and science. Math was her favorite subject. Emma liked to count and solve problems. It made her happy. She also liked English. In English class, Emma learned new words. She read many books in English. Emma liked to read stories. She read every day. Her favorite book was about a cat. The cat was very funny. Emma laughed a lot when she read the book. At home, Emma had many hobbies. She liked to read books, watch movies, and play sports. Emma also liked to run. Every morning, she went for a run. She ran in the park near her house. The park was green and quiet. Emma loved the sound of birds in the morning. Running made her feel strong and happy. Emma also liked to watch movies. She watched a movie every weekend. Her favorite movie was about a superhero. The superhero was very brave and strong. Emma wanted to be brave like the superhero. She also liked movies about animals. Her favorite animal was a dog. Emma had a dog at home. The dog's name was Bella. Bella was small and brown. She liked to play with Emma in the garden. Emma's other hobby was playing sports. She liked to play basketball and soccer. On Saturdays, Emma played basketball with her friends. They played in the park. Emma was very good at basketball. She could run fast and throw the ball far. She also liked soccer. She played soccer with her brother Max. Max was small, but he was very fast. They had fun playing together. At night, Emma liked to read before bed. She read many different books. Sometimes, she read about animals. Other times, she read about space. Emma wanted to know everything. She asked her mother many questions. "Why is the sky blue?" she asked. Her mother smiled and answered her questions. Emma liked to learn new things. One day, Emma and her family went to the beach. The beach was far from their house. They drove for 2 hours to get there. When they arrived, Emma was very happy. The sand was soft, and the water was blue. Emma loved the sea. She and Max ran to the water. They played in the water all day. Emma swam, and Max built a sandcastle. The sandcastle was big and strong. Max was very proud of it. Emma's mother and father sat on the beach. They watched Emma and Max play. They were happy to see their children smile. Emma loved the beach. She wished she could go there every day. After a long day at the beach, they drove home. Emma was very tired, but she was happy. She talked about the beach all the way home. "I love the beach," she said. Her family laughed and agreed. At home, Emma took a shower and went to bed. She was very tired, but she couldn't stop thinking about the fun day. Emma dreamed of the beach. She dreamed of running in the sand and swimming in the sea. The next morning, Emma woke up early. She was ready for a new day. She had breakfast with her family. They ate bread, eggs, and fruit. Emma loved breakfast. It gave her energy for the day. After breakfast, Emma went to the park for a run. She felt strong and happy. Running was her favorite hobby. After her run, she went home and read a book. It was a new book about a girl who loved adventure. Emma liked the book a lot. She read for hours. In the afternoon, Emma played soccer with Max in the garden. Max was small, but he ran very fast. They played for a long time. Then, they went inside and watched a movie. It was a movie about animals. Emma loved animals, so she enjoyed the movie a lot. At night, Emma sat with her family. They talked about their day. Emma told them about her run in the park. Max told them about the soccer game. Their mother and father smiled. They were happy to hear about their children's day. Before bed, Emma read her book again. She loved reading before sleep. It made her feel calm. After reading, she said good night to her family. "Good night, Emma," her mother said. "Sleep well." Emma closed her eyes and smiled. She was happy. She had a good family, good friends, and many hobbies. Emma loved her life. She dreamed of her next adventure. And so, Emma's story continues. Every day, she learns new things. She runs, plays, reads, and laughs. She loves life and loves to dream. The end.